Hello friends, today we will learn how to create custom theme details page in theme plugin with Elementor page builder. For this, go to the plugins. Firstly, we need to install and activate the Theme Pro and Elementor plugins. Now we will create global team members detail page in step 1. For this, go to the plugins, then all builder templates to add new builder. This is the interface of it. Now provide the title as all team members. Then enable active template button to set it. Then click on edit with Elementor. The appearance will look like that. Firstly, click on this plus icon to select a structure of 2 rows. Then click on plus icon on the top and drag thumbnail to drop it here. From here, you can customize your image settings like border width as well as border color from this color picker. Again, click on this plus icon and drag and drop team name. You can customize its title tag as heading 1, 2, 3, etc. Then go to the style and from here you can customize its typography like size, its weight and etc. Then you can also customize its color, background color from its color picker. You can further change and customize its padding and margin. In the next, select theme designation and drag and drop it down here. If you want, you can enable label show options and set your label text as designation. Then go to the style to customize it. You can customize its typography like size and weight. Then go to the item. From here, you can also change its color from this color picker. Not only that, you can also customize its size as typography. Now select the theme experience to drag and drop it here. You can provide your label text as experience as title and then customize its typography for size, weight and etc. Then go to the item for the next. You can customize its color from this color picker along with the typography for its size. In the next, you can select theme department to drag and drop it under the experience. But if you want something another instead of theme department, you can select theme designation or the theme description for the next. For the theme description, you can customize its color, background color from this color picker. Furthermore, you can also customize its typography like for its size, weight, style and etc. In the next, now select theme expertise to drag and drop it here. And from here, you can customize its general settings as label show. Then provide your label text as expertise for this. Now go to the style for its typography customization like color. Choose and select anyone from this color picker. After that, select a theme contact list to drag and drop it here under the expertise. You will get some several field options to select. You can enable or disable these options to show or hide. If you disable these options, it will not appear anymore. This is the difference. Also, you can customize its item gap along with alignment for this. Now go to the style. You can individually customize each item for separate contact list, such as changing the icon color and adjusting the icon gap for email settings. And also apply the same modifications for the mobile version as a contact list. You can use this same process for the rest of the contact list. After that, select theme scale for the text. From here, you can customize your heading show button by enabling or disabling this. And for the heading text, provide your title as scale. Then go to the style for your heading customization. You can customize heading typography like size and then customize scale name if you want. For the next, customize percentage. From here, you can change your color from this color picker. And for progress bar customization, you can fill color by choosing any color from this color picker. In the next, select theme social icons to drag and drop it down under the scale. Before customizing this, if you further want, you can customize the advanced for your team skill. Now customize team social icons like heading tag. Now provide the heading text as social media and then move to the style for heading customization. You can customize its typography like size, weight, etc. For the general customization, you can change your color from this color picker as well as background color. Then for the border, you can customize its border radius. Alongside, you can customize the padding. If you want, you can customize and edit your container. For this, go to the advanced and resize your layout margin. While done, click on publish to save. Now go to the page to visit your customization. After reloading, your archive page will look like that. Click on this to see the single listing page. This is the appearance of it. Here, this is the another one. Let's try the next to see our next customization. In the step 2, now you will learn how to create a selected department team member details page. For this, go to the team and then all builder templates to add a new builder. Now provide the title as team member by department. And from the template builder settings, select the team details template for as team members by department. And then select a team department to apply this template. For this, go to the departments to add a new department and select marketing from here. And then back to the template builder settings and paste it here. Then enable this template to activate. While done, click on publish to save. Now click on the edit with Elementor. This is the interface of it. Now firstly, we will click on this plus icon and select a row from here. Then drag team thumbnail and drop it here. From here, you can customize your image settings like image width, height, and the border radius of it. Then select the border type along with the border color. In the next, select a team name to drag and drop it here. For this, go to the style and customize its like alignment, color, border color, etc. Next, drag team description and drop it here. Similar customization is applicable for this. For the next, select team experience to drag and drop it here. You'll get some general settings to show or hide here. Like if you disable telephone, mobile, fax, it will disappear in the next. Then go to the style if you think you need more customization here. After that, select a team skill to drag and drop it here. Now let's customize it. You can enable heading show button option if you want to. In the next, select a team social icons and similar customize is applicable here like heading show button option and then provide its title as social media. For the heading customization, go to the style and customize its typography like size, weight, and etc. In the general settings option, you can customize the color and the background color from this color picker. Then you can also customize border radius, border width, etc. If you want to fix the container width, you can do so for better visual appearance or to maintain alignment. While done, click on Publish to save. And let's go to the theme page to visit our customization. After reloading, you can able to see the difference. Click on it and here it is. Let's try the second one. Here is our another modification. Now in the step 3, we will create selected team members details page. For this, go to the team, then all builder templates. Here it is. Now click on Add New Builder on the top and select Team Details Template as selected team members according to the template builder settings. Then provide your title as single selected member. Then select your teams to apply this template. Then activate your template. Now click on Publish to save. Then click on Edit with Elementor. This is the interface of it. Firstly, we will drag team name and drop it here. Then go to the style for its alignment customization. In the next, select team designation and provide its level text as a designation. Then customize its alignment. For the level customization, go to the style and you can choose the color from the color picker. Next, select team thumbnail and customize the image settings like image width, height, its border radius, and select image size. After that, select team description and set its alignment along with the color. In the next, select team contact list to drag and drop it here. You can customize its given fields option to show or hide in the contact list. Next, you can customize its alignment. After team contact list, select team social icons and drag and drop it here. Let's customize its alignment, and according to the style you can customize the color along with the background color from this color picker. Not only that, you can also select the border type with the border width and border radius. For the container, you can fix the container width for better visual appearance. Then click on Publish to save. Let's visit the team page. Reload this page first and click on our selected member to see our selected team details page. Here it is. And here, this is the selected department team details page. And this is our global team member details page. Here's how you can create a custom team member details page using the Elementor page builder. Thank you for watching.